While other people are giving up, feeling like victims, feeling powerless, becoming negative, turning on each other, feeling that they can't make it. Be ye not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind with the mindset of that it's possible, that I can find a new profession, a new job. It's possible. I can create a new life, and it's necessary that I become actively involved in becoming a positive force in my life and on the planet. And it's me, yes, it's you. And it's going to be hard. Easy is not an option. But if it's hard, we will do it hard. Whatever is required to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. And it's worth it, yes. It's worth whatever we have to do. And once we know that, it is done. It is done. It is done. It is done.